The real-life scenario. Thanks to popular culture, there has been a renewed interest in martial arts and self-defense. Everyone has dreams of being a grandmaster and fighting off a half-dozen attackers using just their thumb. While this looks cool on the silver screen, in real life this will not happen, as the six are not going to attack one at a time or with a prescribed set of moves. It is far different from movies. They will attack simultaneously, using whatever means necessary until they get you on the ground or in a compromising position, meaning the fight will not end well for you. Actual self-defense is far different from those in movies or those used in sports such as mixed martial arts, MMA. The difference is, nobody ever really gets hurt in a movie, and MMA has rules that help keep fighters as safe as possible. And there are no rules. There are no rules in a real-life self-defense situation, and someone is definitely going to get hurt. All those fancy techniques are going to go out the window, and you will be using your instincts when defending yourself. So it is important to practice the most effective and straightforward techniques until you can perform them effortlessly. You are always on the front line. One of the three basic principles of self-defense is to remember that you are your own first line of defense. Only you can rescue yourself. If you are going to be mugged, then by the time the police officer gets to you, the mugging will have already happened. So, you have to do whatever it takes to survive until backup arrives. And when this worst-case scenario happens, either you will be fully prepared or you won't. The best technique is to avoid. While practicing self-defense techniques are important, it is equally important to trust your gut. If it tells you going down that dark alley or into that dim parking garage is dangerous, then by all means listen to it and stay away from those places, even if you are late for an appointment. Know your surroundings. It is also important to know your surroundings. This does not mean you have to be a ninja or a spy and know the exact number of steps from where you are to the exit. It simply means keeping your eyes and ears open to the possibility of a violent situation, such as entering a dark alley or parking garage, or even when using the subway. Know your surroundings. Understanding your surroundings will go a long way in keeping you safe. For example, try to park your car near a street lamp or next to a surveillance camera. Always change your routes to a favorite destination and use a phone equipped with GPS so that someone can locate you in an emergency. Keep it simple. Unlike in the movies, where fights last for 15 to 20 minutes, real life is a story of hardly 15 seconds. Remember, you are not going to defeat a supervillain or even teach him a lesson. Either you have to protect yourself until help arrives or create a distance to escape, which is the smartest thing to do. Enough is enough. Never cause any more harm than absolutely necessary for that situation. Stop if your attacker is down after one or two punches and report the incident immediately. This not only keeps you away from danger, but from any unnecessary legal issues. Had you simply ran away and not report the incident, your attacker could report it and charge you with assault. Know the difference. There's a difference between a brawl and self-defense. A brawl is when both parties are willing to fight and will do so until one of them is defeated or fatally injured. In self-defense, one is unwilling to fight and works to escape the situation quickly.